Hey everyone, it's Jessica. In today's episode, I will be going through a few products that are coming with me in 2024 as far as skincare goes. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. The first product on my list is this Eucerin Hydrating Cleansing Gel with hyaluronic acid. This is what it looks like here, and it's just a nice clear jelly. And I came across this once I was looking for a new cleanser to remove my makeup, because I used to use this Aveeno Positively Radiant Micellar Gel Cleanser, but I found that this just not on the shelves anymore. I think it's discontinued, and I really enjoyed using this, but I found another alternative. This Eucerin one is not as hydrating as this, but with a good follow-up moisturizer, it works well. So this is coming with me into 2024. If you do have recommendations for sensitive, smooth skin, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Next on my list is this Cetaphil Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover, and it's for sensitive skin, and I love it so much. So much so that it's empty. I really love using this for my eye makeup, getting off my mascara. It works so well. It was so gentle, and I honestly just need to like re-up on it. It's supposed to get your waterproof makeup off, so that's what I loved about this. Next on my list is this Aveeno Positively Radiant Intensive Night Cream. That's what it looks like here. It's very small, but this is what it looks like inside. A little goes, well, a little slash a lot goes a long way, but I really do like this because I guess it's like the ingredients, like the soy complex, that really agrees with my skin and keeps my skin very hydrated and supple, and it does not like add any like more oils or any more things to my skin. It just really, I've been using this for like over 10 years, and it really helps to calm my skin, keep my skin calm and free of blemishes while brightening my skin. So Aveeno, shout out to you. Another skincare item that is coming with me in 2024 is this Ulta Beauty Super Soothe Facial Mist, and it's in this bottle. I talk about it all the time. I've been using it to set my makeup and also as a makeup primer. This thing does so many things, and I believe it goes for like $10 at Ulta, so it's a one-stop shop with this. Coming with me. The next thing on my list is this Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen. Unfortunately, it is empty, and I did mention this in my body care, I believe in one of my previous videos. I can link it up here or here. And yeah, this thing was the GOAT as far as like keeping my skin nice and moisturized and keeping my oils down to like a minimum while also protecting my skin from any type of sun damage and things like that because of the sunscreen in it. This is definitely coming with me into 2024. And so that concludes the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the journey. Peace.